Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see, button on the screen. Yeah, people, we're going to get a good one today because we have the real storyteller them upon the channel. Yeah, Ricky Trooper and the rest of the old heads them is chiming in on the chanting topic. Is Masicka and the rest of these younger generation worthy of Vybz Kartel crown? Because to be honest with you, them say Vybz Kartel is beyond this crown thing. You know what I mean? Like, oh, Michael Jackson did have him error. Yeah, a cartel error no. And plus them boy you're broke and hungry, because you know them talking about the money and all of this stuff, you know. But nonetheless, you know, they're really talking about the hard work, you know, that these guys like Cartel and Alliance them have to put in, and them boy yeah come and have it easy, you know. So let's hear what them must say and we proceed with the next.
Oh, Cartel like king, and Cartel like king, and Cartel like king. I'm sitting down there, I look and squeal and say, all blood clot squeal gone to, you know. Can't let me tell you something. See? When you talk about Cartel, them everybody goes up boom and start cuss and this and that. See? The man name, Real Boss.
Yeah.
Real Boss.
Real Boss.
See?
Yeah.
Real Boss. You understand? And all who run Cartel, no man no say blood clot teacher. Saying, I didn't name that at the title that, you know.
Yeah,
because a king. Because that big and king, you know.
Big and king.
Saying, because king in run Spain, a king run England,
A king run
in country.
Yeah.
Saying, and God is say the world have say 190 odd place.
Yeah.
Saying, so me I say,
The Cartel bigger than king.
so Cartel bigger than a king. Saying, all I man around teacher named Real Boss, you know, all I man them around the man. Saying, I fight for blood clot kingship.
You could have tell us about the ship there, no?
They know that me I tell you, no, seriously.
Then go on with
Say,
the
cause here, me watch it from what they know, cause blood clot too. Hey, squeal
world
at
king
2 years now.
World king.
At 2 years me diamond, you know, cause from them me daughter, I just love music. Say, but from the boy get sentenced, me say, Trooper, you have to wake up, you know, and go back into the thing. Saying, so me wake up. So them have bigger controversy about kingship. See, the man get, you see the chain we Cartel get round him neck.
Yeah.
We have the big bumper clot, global spin.
Yeah, the spinning chain.
See, spinning chain. Yeah, Real Boss. Real. A whole blood clot, real. Big and king. Real Boss. Me control the real. The whole real. Real.
Yeah.
And a man goes up, man, a little up teacher thing. And I talk about blood clot thing.
Cartel. The place where Cartel go, you know. Cartel, Michael Jackson
Man,
go
I'm an idiot
and
that.
Cartel go the same thing. So Cartel in every Express League and Michael Jackson League.
Bonnie man,
Cartel,
them a
listen,
failure.
This is all about Beanie Man and
Michael Jackson League.
Get rid of Bailey.
yeah.
Yeah,
The world
can,
greatest-
yeah.
The world greatest entertainer.
Alright, Mr. Chin got some boom and say. Mr. Chin got some boom and say,
But a ban.
no man, Chin got some boom and say, Cartel, we cannot give Cartel a king title because Cartel, he has done this, he has done that. You have to find a bigger position, a bigger name to give Cartel a bigger title. And no fear this man. I'll cheat. No fear blood clot downs. No fear either because enough of them around Cartel, them don't listen, you know. Them are listening, you know. Saying, as I said, you know, if you said it tell, you know. It tell now if you come and then start cause your blood clot. But you say me can't say anything because you know why? Saying, me fight struggle and me know so me put in work, you know, that's something there. And I be a new man, me surround the thing and them, none of them can tell Cartel, say, yo, teacher, which king? A Real Boss, your blood clot
Yeah,
name, you
man.
think
Yeah,
big
man.
and
Big
king.
and king. Pass
You have
king.
a big title, a Real Boss.
Yeah, man.
And who run you talk about king? King them bumbo clot. So you see that my book. Me not have Cartel, you know, king blood clot. Nothing.
Which-
Me have Cartel as Real Boss.
Nothing
See?
is a big up in 4 years.
No fear idiot, man. Cause you nothing big. You ain't food in my big up, yes. The blood clot.
Which
you
artist
man,
in
big up
Jamaica?
them food.
Which artist in Jamaica
See?
get $1.5 million stage show? None!
Don't leave that alone, man. I'm not even talk about that because man I make money, man. See, I'm tell you something, bro. See, remember saying a Shabba goes up, boom and forward, you know. A Shabba goes up, boom. Shabba no say no king, Shabba say emperor. Do you know say an emperor title is bigger than a blood clot king title?
King.
Eh? And you go so boom, my lad. Real boss. Just look up, let's take a minute now. Real boss. The big and blood clot kingship.
Yeah, man.
The big and kingship. And then go some woman a fight. And King of Dancer. Or a Cartel drop an album. King of Dancer. Saying, okay, boom, that. See? But for when go some woman come from prison. And the levels when take the blood clot king. Teacher no fear think about no blood clot king. Teacher fear look into himself and say bumbo clot. That's what me think global. I have a roll in my hand.
I'm just saying, no want that.
He no want that. Teacher no need that. Teacher no need no blood clot king thing. Which king? The man bigger than that. The man a roll boss. He whole roll.
Yeah, man.
So all who has a blood clot guys, all who want to drop the man blood clot thing. But man that fight with it for build it. Saying, when they not think about no king, why roll him keep and I say, and I say, yo, we're conquer roll, we're control the roll.
No artist in Jamaica never create aeroplane traffic jam. No man never do that and Cartel do that.
You see, all I want to
Yo.
oh, one go chat now and set one and say, and go cuss, and go blood clot cuss. Tell me, I'm a Ricky Chopper. I fight struggle for blood clot Cartel and do the things. Cartel come from prison, I'm not running neither. But over here, son, him over that blood clot. They said, I'm running.
do the tune him, Cartel do that. Aeroplane traffic jam, Cartel do that. Government make millions, Cartel do that.
Cartel do that.
See, who go prison white
Other artists do that blood clot.
and come out back black.
I hear me no life with them too. You see all of them? Oh, I say that. Oh. Yo, and them bad mind, the teacher, and them bad mind, and them bad mind. Hey, you know for go. The bumbo cry, everything will have come bad mind, bro. See, and the people talk about bad mind, bad mind blood clot people, I'm not chat about. See? Yo, I'm not lily up the man thing. All I want to lily up the man thing. And then the bag of fool them around blood clot teacher. Be a fool teacher, bro. Hey, let me talk in my mind. I be a fool them around teacher.
Cartel come do boy, you know. No blood clot artist never do it, you know. Not even Bob Marley, you know. And him not big like Bob Marley still. But nobody not do a Cartel
Bro,
do boy.
come on, I hear that, bro.
Alright, you see what Mr. Cartel do with you? You see some artists who get 20 grand for your show and 25 grand. Cartel make them get all 300 blood clot thousand for your show, you know. Some artists will take 20 grand and 25 grand, you know.
Anything no lift?
300,000 them get.
And I be a blood clot arena sell out. So that's all go so boom. See? No, but remember, say Bujo coming up. Bujo go so boom and come lift the bar, you know, man. Bujo come lift the bar, bro. Cause remember, say Bujo come lift the bar, you know, man. And go so boom and a ram arena and a ram stadium and a do them for those. See? Cartel come and run with the thing called button. And the whole of youth them a run and do it popcorn and the whole of them. Being the man a blood clot do it. Saying killer even the other day killer ram film show too. So all of the man them a work, bro. The man them a do them thing, bro. Cause man a say killer struggle flap and killer thing blood clot ram.
See?
So me a say.
Bounty killer forget the award was the most ghetto youth and
So you me a say. No, me a talk about blood clot Cartel. Cause from I know me not say nothing. I'm a trooper, you know. But fight Cartel war, you know. See? The man them around Cartel a be a blood clotty that run teacher. Saying, be a fool on the man. The man them did and I lily up the man bumbo clot king. I come back king. King no bumbo clot. Man not king nothing. So I want bets about me say that the bite on a bite me. Over no blood clot. No, I'm not drink no rum, I'm not drink a Malta. Saying, you know some sexy and nice. Saying, I'm pretty and look blood clot young. I would you try rum up. I know rum. I love them thing a long time, man. I'm a white wine me drink on them someday. You know, see that star. Saying, I look a red wine. Saying, me not drink rum a long time. Me not put no rum on my eggnog. Eggnog a long time me not drink rum in no eggnog. You know some look yo.
Let me get that one.
Say,
Say.
I lie you tell man. We your post sick. Saying,
When you want a friend for real, I want girl anyway, and she sweep up the place and clean up the place and go out. Trooper don't drink so rum. When Trooper don't drink rum and Trooper ready, Trooper. Hey, how are your name? How are you now?
how am I that?
You look good in a blood clot. Yes, when you get sober, come back on the sober, Mr. Trooper. Say the be you talk, yeah, who that talk to? Mr. B, yeah. Or the blood clot, you talk about. Mr. I say, I want that.
Body, you're too body, you're too light.
Remember, said Josie drink up 2 quarter rum and drink about 10 bowl of soup and some curry chicken.
Yeah, me say
and go vomit and the dog them go to drink vomit.
You see, man, let me say. Alright, I'm going to show you a thing. Hold on now. Squidly, let me show you a thing. See? Some fest. Cartel got some fest. See? Yeah. Hold on, Cartel got some fest. And some fest done. See? And them have to dip on blood clot social media still a cuss. And Cartel like kings here, and who not like that? Bite it because them crown him. Saying them show them mix up the man of them bumbo clot there. Saying the man a real boss, a real boss, big and king. See like how Shabbat say him an emperor. Saying that now go, you can't mix up with king thing. Saying because you have king of England, you have king of France, king of that. The man title a real boss. Then teacher not even looking at himself and sing it to a big blood clot chain with the globe spin pan it. Saying, so me I say, so a teacher ever say, but yo, I see all I know, me can't say this blood clot. Yeah. Say this all I know, but I run teacher, I want some pussy. I don't want to run teacher show, the money we not get from him, but none of you can't tell Cartel the truth. Like how man look on Cartel and tell Cartel the blood clot show. Saying, yo, all the way from where power with Cartel, when me tell Cartel the truth, enough time him cry. Saying, I will tell him the truth. Well, I want some blood clotting. So, all me answer now. When this got so boom and this boil down, when after 1 year now, saying, and everything got so boom and boil down, saying, well, I want to go blood clot run and gone. Run gone left the man. Everyone, you know, not pussy, you know. I can know for uno. When he got so boom and left Alliance, when he left Alliance, saying, and got so boom on him own. No want touching blood clotting. Because everybody afraid of killer. And nobody no want offend blood clot killer. Saying, alright, Mr. Teacher come from blood clot prison. Saying, and teacher say, him find God and him say to God, say, if me go so boom and drop back on road, me I change certain things. The first thing teacher should have done not care what? If he link blood clot Jeffrey Hype. Saying, oh teacher not link Jeffrey Hype and now. Eh? I even just said to him, now if you look my friend from the youth and say, yo, yeah, hear me. You know, you did it there, you know. You fight struggle, because me did there. When me know, when me see things happen, run at that bumbo clot where man rush al teacher pan Red Road in them time there. And a Jeff Wright take all 2 cutlass slap in him back and take 2 box and jump in a vehicle and drive it way. See? Such a little thing where with a little street vibes wrong blood clot thing and a man say him that hustling thing and rare that pass long time and that make on have the yo what. See? I want to know. And them youth they forget blood clot jar. You may talk my mind today. Saying, what kind of jar them youth they get? Eh? All I want to chat off for no mouth. And some little batty boy around the man. A man got some boom and blood clot. Got some boom and say the one number for real teacher. A man link some I want to shield the DJ. Saying, I suck out to no more my whole I want to. Saying, Refs and Jeffrey. Say, and then I'll not feel what teacher thumb down in bumbo clot. I come about teacher, nothing where you do. When buckle that fight and them thing there, and the ground grind me out there, you think me see you? Me not say none of you. None of you me no blood class. You know when I come about, oh teacher, listen, teacher, but teacher on a bumbo clot, on the goal on the go. Saying, I want to know. And we fight the struggle around here. Saying a teacher get rich now. I will not beg nothing from teacher. And I want nothing from teacher come and over here so and hold them fence. Because teacher come from blood clot prison. Saying, I want teacher come from prison. Popcorn link me as a teacher ask for you. Saying, teacher ask for you. Saying, because teacher said chopper. Popcorn said teacher said one part in our life when they lowest in our life. When they lowest in our life. Chopper you did there and food I run out of chopper pocket and them bumbo clot there. Saying, so me I say, and we did it and we know, we used to name out of one bumbo clot box food. One box food we eat and man I cut off the top. I box and them thing and I eat. And them bumbo clot and a fight struggle. Say one of the day, where all of the day come chat off for no blood clot mouth. Saying, but a teacher for looking at blood clot self and remember this in a cartel. A January you born like man. I mean, a boy, I mean, run into paper. But me say enough of them we come chat. And lily up your thing and come chat about blood clot. But make you tie up in a king thing. Yeah, roll boss. Yeah, boss for you roll in a blood clot DJ thing. Saying, yeah, boss for you blood clot roll. Saying, you think big and you think big and blood clot kingship.
History.
Saying, history be a history.
History a create run, you know. History a create around here, you know.
And I can lily up your thing about blood clot thing. All of them are some pussy. All of them. Saying, All of them are some pussy.
Cartel, you know every special league.
Hey, teacher, I'm sure. Hey, teacher, alright. For the teacher come and blood clot, come back a road. Saying, him not get a hit all now, you know. You think teacher get a hit? Teacher just do some blood clot song and them did their float. Because what? And I like teacher have some youth where, like, oh, we should fight with him thing and him having set a selector them. A power and bomb clot thing. Teacher not get a real it from him come from prison, you know. And no, you know, bro. And none of them now say to teacher, say, all right, teacher, you don't control the freaky girl them. And you this, that, you do that song, yeah. Saying, some song for your drop now. And some song where supposed to go so boom now. Saying, Fifi roll and make people go so boom and gravitate to that. And you take a thing to a different level. Yes. Saying, I'll teach you and the whole of them about them and produce. I pussy them. They might tell you the truth. So me I say, all ever gonna yam out them woman, move them
Cartel in a Masicka Jahshii every special league.
So me I say, hold on for moving up blood clot and I lay the youth wrong.
Pop star.
And I tell the youth the blood clot shoot. Saying, but you see me, now I'm a friend from my boy and I'm gonna start my shoot and done. Saying, but you see more time, when you go so boom, you fight and struggle. Saying, and when we don't fight the struggle, we fight it from we heart. When they not fight it through blood clot money. Saying, when they not fight it through money and when they not fight it through this kind of money never did it. Saying, and only if I want to come read the blood clot ban, not for no care news, and get likes and riches on them blood clots. Some boy for go, can't chat to man and tell man nothing. Saying, because the real youth them who fight the struggle, we not get no love. No love, we no blood clot. We not get no love out of this. Artists enough for no artists not wicked because you see the youth them who fight the struggle them all the while. Saying, I'm telling you, if a bust Jeff Ripe, teacher, if a bust blood clot Jeff Ripe, what you mean? Bust the youth, bust pimping them youth there. Saying, me stand up with my blood clot 2 years when Vybz go on and I see them box on Jeff Ripe in a bomb clot concentrating police station. And me and blood clot me and I drive out and left him on ground. You forget that? Eh? But them boy there, them bag a look a pussy around you, I chat off them mouth now, what them be there? I scatter on the wall, and we scatter in the blood clot, them look a bow dread there, what them be there? I look a bomb clot bow dread there. Say, what them be there? What them there? All of them we about teacher on a bomb clot. A long time it a boil up in me, you know. Saying, bomb on the for go man. Saying, oh no, out there fight, no, that fight, no struggle. Eh? No, never believe in the blood clotting because nobody never want to offend killer them. Sure. Saying, hey, I'm going to show you, I put my career upon the blood clot line, you know. Because I'm going to so boom and do all one clash with base of this, Guinness sound of greatness. Saying, and the whole alliance. Saying, vice base of this. I'm going to the clash go blood clot clash them. At the same time, Squingy dead. Saying, so that night them I fight against Squingy dead to just happen and I fight the whole blood clot alliance. Say if you put Cartel out there. Saying, and when Cartel boss, 06, what boss Cartel? That before this and a blood clot real clash. Because I do song them time about and I like him go so boom and real. When we go a real clash now, go play 1 million Cartel, we play Cartel so till people think and sick of Cartel and I want you no more Cartel till they want to hear more. And from that, me carrying a blood clot, sit down, you know, sit down back. Saying, and we out there fight struggle. You know, night me a foot I buck up a road and be a Vybz. And what? And one thing make me a foot I never catch up. Saying, because the same blood clot links where him have, I see him links you have a 90s with blood clot. Saying, and me and him a ref to blood clot picnic. Saying, so the disrespect you and go on. Saying, I want to know. My heart full. Over no blood clot and go. Saying I mix up the man thing about this bag I hear that thing about king blood clotting. The man thing big and kingship. Man I roll bomber clot boss. You know what kind of title that? Saying man I roll king bomber clot DJ whole roll like come talk about king. All man I keep bomber clot something. Saying all monarchy where it a come from father to blood clot son and a come down. All royal fucking go on and them bumbo clot there. And breed all your sister and them things. That don't mix up the man in that. Saying, man I real boss and who and Bex and who know like when me I say bite me. Saying, because we think different. Because I say no. Me is a boy, me hunger Vybz Kartel Selector combo here, you know. Saying, I fight the whole alliance, you know. I fight killer for around 10 Vybz Kartel, you know, sound couldn't kill me. Saying, I when Cartel go so boom, and me a fight with Cartel thing. No boy, no kill me, no dance neither. So if Cartel want to turn against me and say anything I want to say, me fight him with the next blood clot DJ, because I'm a bad that way there. Saying, and that me I tell you. Saying, because I'm bad, me know if you kill DJ career. Saying, so me I say, so who want go so boom and like what me I say, like what me I say. Who no like what me I say, who no bite me. Me no business. Nyam me. Say, me a little blood clot idiot. Who no go so boom and bout on the crown the man. Say, me nah not against Spice. Spice and my little sister, me not good. No can't woman a crown the man. Who never hear Vybz Kartel, woman a crown man. Big Cartel, lily up the man blood clot thing. See? On a lily up the man thing. On a lily up the man blood clot thing. Saying, oh, I'm Tono. I don't son of love a DJ. No, no, no love a DJ. I hype on our work off and the money will not blood clot get. Better some fam team tomorrow morning and him can't DJ. Wall on the run gone. Saying, so me I say, but then him not fight for no kingship, bro, and him a fight for kingship and who around him and mislead him. Saying, who around him and mislead him, bro. Because if you tell a man, say, yo, leave that alone, DJ. We know, the real youth, them, if the real people, them around him and I tell him the truth, him listen. And him hear him. Now nobody around him and tell him the blood clot truth. Because everybody around him, them are yes man, rare, yes teacher. Teacher that, yes teacher that, yes teacher. Yes teacher on a Vybz Kartel. Hold on for go. No fear the whole of uno. Suck on the mother. Saying, hold on, bite me. Uno Vybz Kartel. You want to have some pussy.
Well said and done.
Saying,
well said and
yo,
done.
hey, listen, I'm my real people. Man, I real boss, yeah? Man, I real Vybz Kartel boss. Man, for love being with the Lily King
I
City.
want to hear Chupa say, the dog back, Chupa the man world
being with
champion.
the Lily Vybz Kartel man, yo.
Chupa world champion, blood clots.
Yeah, put in a comment section if you agree with the reason. They talked about for 10 more minutes, but you already know all the things that a cartel they might work with. And that is the winning side. Not saying that genocide, upon the landslide, you see me. But no, them boy, if I put in more work, them forgot war with them one another, and that's it. You see me, I say, because them really look like them bad man. You see me, I say, but me here for a clashing, and I don't like the subliminal thing, and this is what these younger cats is doing. You know what I mean? If you're not like somebody, you're not like them. You're not for fake love. You see me, I say. But I don't want to be nice out there to the fans and fake this unity and all them things there. You see me, I say, because if me do like what Jahshii do. No king no run your sorrows, you see me? You know what I mean? And that's why you know you have to respect Jahshii over Masicka. At least it must show him true colors. Like, we're supposed to respect the Karens, them out here. Because you don't want a Karen act like a Keisha and come give you a glass of water. And with that being said, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.